Hi, this is Sean. I'm the author of the Mirror app. We're going to walk through the installation of Mirror, and we're in the Slack app directory. Say install, authorize the permissions, which are about as restrictive as you can get, and that brings you to our website where there are 3 steps to follow to get the software up and running. I'll just walk you through them on our instance. Invite the Mirror to the app to the channel, which we've just done. Type in Mirror help to see that the bot is working. Now I want to mirror a URL remotely. I happen to know the URL. It's the support URL for Mirror itself. So just type in the URL and oops, I typo. And now I'm mirroring this channel. Everything I type here should show up in the remote Slack channel, which is open over here, and there it is. I can answer back. And it shows up with your name and Mirror as the bot name. You can send files across. Let me just send a file. We will send Puss Puss, the cat, because support people need to see cat pictures. Puss Puss shows up here. On the remote Slack instance, Puss Puss shows up over here. And I will reply as the support person with the appropriate cat picture back. And it shows up instantly on this side. You can also drop PDFs or anything else you can share within Slack. We'll go between two instances. So you'll see the PDF show up here. There it is, about induction ranges, and over on the other side. When you've had enough of mirroring, you can also check the status of our mirrored channel. Says what we're mirroring, and when we've had enough mirroring, we can unmirror the channel. Let me just grab the URL. Just say unmirror, and we're no longer mirrored. And we can go back to the support. No, we're not mirrored, and we're done. So thanks a lot. Enjoy Mirror.